on. First, may Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Why we study science grade 1? Because why you study science? Because the science.
Because the science of tomorrow.
Yes, amazing. Nagam, don't write on the chat. Okay, please, grade 1, all of you follow our online class rules. No one write on the chat. Be prepared and raise your hand to respond and to ask any questions. Close your camera. Sorry. Close your camera, close your mic, and no one write on the chat, okay? Can you please, all of you now, close your mic. Khulud, close your mic, Khulud. Lara, close your mic. Okay, so let's start. Are you remember our lesson? It's about water. Yes, grade 1. Our lesson about water. No water. Yeah,
Cycle.
Amazing, water cycle. So one more time, water. Water cycle. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's amazing. Thanks a lot. Okay, so our objectives today, inshallah, we will explain how the clouds form and we will identify the different kinds of these clouds. Okay, let's start. How do the clouds form? By the water cycle. Okay, we know that we can sing a song about the water cycle. Number 1, sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. So one more time, sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. Sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. Yes, can you tell me, Imar? Can you sing this song with me? Sun? Yes, Imar, sun? Imar, sun? Where are you, Imar? Okay, so Maya, you can? Can you please sing this song with me? Yes. So sing with me. Sun, water, vapor, clouds, and? Hi, honey. Yes, sun, water, vapor, clouds, and? And rain. So one more time. So one more time. Okay? Quickly, honey. Faster. Yes. Sun. No. Start. Sun, water, vapor. And rain. Amazing, honey. Thanks a lot. Okay. So sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. So in number 1, the sun. The sun warms the earth, water. So number 1, the sun warms the earth, water. So how the earth water can warm? How the earth water warms? By the, yes, Nagam, by the, Nagam. So Nagam, the earth water warms by the
Sun.
By the sun. Amazing, Nagam. Thanks a lot. So number 1, here in the water cycle, the sun warms the earth, water. The sun warms the earth, water. Number 2, some water turns into water vapor. Some water turns into water vapor. And number 3, water vapor cools in the sky. This water vapor cools in the sky and now it turns into the clouds. Now it turns into the clouds and the clouds fall to the earth as a rain. Okay, grade 1. So one more time. Yes, Rafa. Number 1, in the water cycle, the sun.
Yes, teacher, I am Rafa.
Yes, Rafa. Tell me, Han. Number 1, the sun warms
No.
the sun.
Air.
Warms the earth water. The sun warms the earth water. Like what, Rafa? The earth water. Like what?
Like ocean.
Yes, amazing, honey. Like oceans, like rivers, like ponds. So the sun warms this earth water. Okay, thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Munira? If the sun warms the earth water, some of this water will turn into.
What teacher?
Listen to me. Some of the earth water turns into.
Water.
Yeah, water vapor turns into water. So what is the water vapor, Munira? Is the water that goes into the air, up in the air, or down in the earth?
Or down in the air.
No, ask me, honey. Choose. This water vapor is the water that goes up into the air, up, or down in the earth?
Up in the air.
Yes, into the air. Amazing, honey. Thanks a lot, Munira. Okay, and after this water vapor will cools in the sky, now it turns into. يا جود عارف؟
Yes, teacher.
Jude, the water vapor. What happened to the water vapor in the sky? It will heat or cools?
Cold.
Amazing. If it cools in the sky, now it turns into.
Cloudy.
Amazing, honey. It turns into the cloud. Thanks a lot, honey. So it turns into the clouds, and the water fall back or falls into the lakes from these clouds, and the water cycle will begin again. Okay? And so sun, we can say the song again. Sun, water, sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. Sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. And the rain, or if the clouds, if the water fall back, or yes, fall back to the earth from the clouds, it's called precipitation. It's called precipitation. And we have different kind or 4 types of the precipitation. Maybe this precipitation are like the rain, sleet, hail, and snow. Okay, so the precipitation like that, different thing can fall from the clouds like that. Yes, Fatima Jum'a, like that.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, Fatima, different thing can fall from the clouds like that.
Hail.
Hail, sleet, sleet, yeah.
Ice.
Rain, and
Snow.
amazing, honey. Thanks a lot. And this is called precipitation. This is called what? Precipitation. Okay, but by the way, what are the clouds? Clouds are made of water and ice. Clouds are made of water and ice. So clouds are made of.
Water
Yeah.
and ice.
Yes. Wait, honey. Is Zain?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, Zain, clouds are made of water and ice. Water and ice. Water and
Ice.
excellent, honey. Thanks a lot. So water and ice. Okay. Now it's a diagram for the water cycle. Who can help me in this diagram? Yes, Hanin Al-Ghamdi. Hanin?
Yes, teacher.
Hanin, help me. In this diagram, the water cycle started by the
Sun.
excellent. Number 2, sun,
Water.
water vapor. Yes. Number 3,
Cloud.
clouds and
Rain.
amazing, honey. Thanks a lot, honey. So sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. Yes, Athir? Athir? So Athir, again, help me here in this water cycle. To start by the
Sun.
yes, sun, water vapor,
Yeah.
Yes, after the water vapor.
Clouds.
Clouds and rain. Clouds and thanks a lot, honey. Amazing, honey. Thanks a lot. Yes, Shadon. Shadon.
Yes, teacher.
Well, here, Shadon, the water cycle started by the
Sun
sun,
and
sun, water vapor,
sun, water vapor, and
clouds, and
rain.
thanks a lot, honey. Sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. Thanks a lot, honey. And what are the types of the precipitation? Maybe rain or yes, Jana Salim, maybe rain or
Hail.
hail. Amazing. Rain, hail, sleet, and snow. Thanks a lot, honey. You are amazing. Thanks for all of you, grade 2. Grade 1, sorry. Okay. Now look here, grade 1. Look at this picture and tell me. Yes, Ranim? Look here, Ranim. And tell me.
Is air.
It is about the air. This picture, all of this picture, it's about the air. Are you sure? Look well, honey.
No.
So it's about what?
About the water cycle.
The water cycle, or the sun, or the clouds?
Cloud.
Yeah, it's about the clouds. Look here, Ranim. Are all the clouds here look the same, or they are different?
Different.
They are different. Thanks a lot, honey. So grade 1, if I ask you, are all the clouds look the same? Of course, no. They are different. So we have different kinds of the clouds. Maybe the clouds, wait, honey, wait, Sarah. So the clouds may be thin, like this one. It's very thin. Big, like this one. Or puffy. What is the puffy? Puffy is meaning like fat. Okay, so the clouds may be thin, like this one, thin, big, or puffy. So it may be thin, big, or puffy. Yes, Siba? The clouds may be Siba. Larine. Larine?
Yes. Yes.
So the clouds are different, okay? So some different kinds of the clouds are, this one is thin or big?
Big.
This one, number 1, thin or big?
Thin.
Thin or big, like this one, big or buffy?
Thin.
So again, Larine, please, honey, again, repeat after me. Thin
Thin.
or big?
Thin.
Yes, thin or big and buffy. Thin, big, and buffy. Can you repeat after me, honey? Thin, big, buffy.
Sun. Thin.
Thin, big, and buffy. Thanks a lot, honey. So maybe thin, big, or buffy. This is the different kinds of the clouds, okay? But it's not important. It's not important to learn this name, but I want you to can describe the clouds by the picture, okay? So number 1 is a...
Okay.
Wait, honey, close your mic. It's a cumulus clouds. It's a cumulus clouds. And this is cirrus clouds. And this is cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds, okay? So we have 3 kinds of the clouds, okay? This one, cumulus. Number 2, cirrus. Number 3, cumulonimbus, okay? But one by one, let's describe it. Look at this one. This is the cumulonimbus clouds. These clouds are thunder clouds. If we see these clouds bring the rain and the storms. So these clouds will bring the rain and the storms. These clouds will bring the rain and the storms. And what about number 2? It is a thin clouds and are made of bits of ice. So these clouds are made of ice, bits of ice. It's a thin clouds and are made of bits of ice. Number 3, these clouds are big one and are made of water drops. Grade 1, okay? So we have different kinds of the clouds. Look at number 1 of these clouds and describe it for me. It is a thunder, can bring rain and storms. Yes, Sarah? Tell me about number 1. It's a... Sarah?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me about number 1. These clouds are... Thunder clouds. And can bring what?
Rain and snow.
Rain and storm.
Storm.
Yes, it's a thunder clouds and bring rain and storm. Thanks, honey. Yes, Tala.
Yes, teacher.
What about number 2? These clouds are thin clouds and are made of ice or water?
Ice.
Yes, are made of ice. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, yes, Judy.
Yes.
Look here, Judy, this is number 3, okay? These clouds are made of water drops or ice?
Ice.
Yeah, are you sure? Ice or water drops?
Water drops.
Yeah, amazing, honey, thanks a lot. Okay, so look here, grade 1, what type of the clouds might you see before a rain? Which one we can see before the rain? Is it number 1 or number 2 or number 3? Hur, before the rain, which type of this cloud might we see? Number 1 or 2 or 3?
Number 1.
Amazing, Hur, yes, this is number 1. Thanks a lot. Okay, Lara. And what kind of the clouds could help you to predict the storm? Is it number 1 or number 2 or number 3? So what kind of the clouds could help you to predict the storm? Number 1 or 2 or 3?
3.
Yes, 3. If we see it, we all predict stormy today. The weather, it is stormy. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, yes, Kinda.
وش اللي يجي قبل العاصفة هذه؟
Kinda?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, look here, Kinda. This is clouds number 1 and number 2, okay? Can you tell me how are these clouds are alike? How they alike? Number 1, how they alike? Look at the color. This color are the same. Yes, Kinda? They have the same color, white color, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so they are alike in this color. But how they different? Tell me about this one. It's a big cloud and these clouds have or are made of water drops or bits of ice?
Bits of ice.
Ice?
Water drops.
Yeah, water drops. Thanks a lot, honey. Are made of water drops. Yes, Fatima Ali? Fatima Ali?
Abraham.
Okay, yes, Fatima Ali. Open your mic, Fatima. Okay, Talia. Talia, tell me about number 2. These clouds, Talia, are made, listen to me, honey. These clouds are made of bits of ice or water drops?
What?
Water drops or bits of ice? Ice or water drops?
Wave of ice. Wave
Yes.
of ice.
Bits of ice. Bits of
Ice.
bits of ice. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, you are amazing today, grade 1. Okay, look here.
Yes.
Now let's play. Okay. Okay, where are you, Noura Musa?
Yes, teacher.
So look here, Noura. Tell me about these clouds. This one are made of thin bits of ice or water drops or rain and storms.
What?
Yeah, water drops. Yeah, great job. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, Lynn Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Look here, Lynn. What about this one? These clouds are made of thin bits of ice or rain and storms.
Rain and storm.
Amazing, honey. Rain and storm. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Ala? Ala?
Yes, teacher.
What about the last one? This kind of the clouds are made of thin bits of ice or water drops.
Then.
Thin bits of ice. Thin bits of ice. Great job. Thanks a lot. Okay, you will play again. Okay, yes, Hams. Hams?
Yes, I am happy.
Okay, look here, Hams. Look at these clouds, okay? This kind of the clouds are made of rain and storms, or water drops, or thin bits of ice.
Bits for ice.
Thin bits of ice. Wow, great job. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, Fatima Ali. Fatima?
Teacher.
Yes, Fatima. And what about these clouds? Are made of rain and storms or water drops?
Rain.
Rain and storms or water drops? Yes, Fatima, rain and storms or water drops?
Water slide.
Water drops? Yes, amazing. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Hala. Hala? Hala absent. Okay. Hanin Subiani. Yes, Khulud. Khulud.
Yes.
And what about the last one, Khulud? These clouds are made of rain and storms or ice?
Rain and storm.
Great job. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. So today, grade 1, we learned about the water cycle. The different kinds of the clouds. So maybe the clouds are thin or big or puffy. Thin or big or puffy. This one are thinner clouds bring rain and storms. It's bring rain and storms. And this one is thin clouds are made of bits or thin bits of ice. And the last one are made of water drops. Okay? Now evaluation time. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, Lynn Walid.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Look here, honey. These clouds are made of what? What?
Made of rain.
Yeah. So when I ask you, are made of mostly what? Of drop.
Drop.
You can write here. The rain, it's what drop? Is it ice drops or water drops?
Water drops.
So we can write here, these clouds are mostly of water drops. Thanks a lot, honey. And Lean, some clouds look what and the others look puffy.
And some clouds look. Come on.
Some clouds look what and the others look puffy. So some look what?
Some look water and some look puffy. Some look
Some look puffy and others look?
the others look snowy and
Describe for me, Lean. Puffy like fat. So puffy or big thin or thin or so we can okay, honey. So we can say some clouds look thin and the others look. Yes, honey. Some clouds look thin and the others look puffy. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Noura Saleh.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Look here, Noura. This cloud. Wait, honey. These clouds are made of thin bits of what? Of ice. Amazing. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, number 3. No, it's not answer. Deem, are you here, Deem? Tulay. Hala. Ratil. Where are you? Okay. Hanin Sobiani. Okay, so all of you's answer today, so I will choose another one. Yes, Zain, look at these clouds and tell me, honey, these clouds bring what? These clouds bring what and storm? Is it bring, yes, is it bring rain and storms or ice and storms? Rain or ice? Rain. Rain. Yeah, one more time.
Rain.
Yes, thanks a lot, honey. Okay, thanks a lot, grade 1. All of you are answer with me today. No one not answer? Okay.
Yes.
Thanks,
Teacher,
okay.
bye-bye.
Thanks a lot, honey. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, teacher. Bye.